Hi, and welcome to NittanyCow Tutorial 5, Importing AminoCow Rations. This 5-minute tutorial will show you how to import rations and catalogs from AminoCow for use in NittanyCow. For more specific information on anything you see here, please consult the NittanyCow help file or visit our website www.nittanycow.com to contact customer support. NittanyCow allows users to import rations from AminoCow MEPRON Ration Evaluator. This convenient feature means that AminoCow users do not have to recreate their library of working rations when they upgrade to NittanyCow. First, users will need to export the desired ration or catalog of rations according to the instructions of the AminoCow Evaluator. This process is not shown here, but in the case of AminoCow rations, we recommend that you export catalogs of rations, as this is much faster than importing a series of rations one at a time. I have already exported an AminoCow catalog containing 2 rations, so let's begin the import process. From the home screen, select Manage Rations, and then Manage Rations. Then click Options, Import Ration. Be sure to select all files from the menu at the bottom of the open window, or you will not be able to locate the appropriate ration or catalog. Find the desired ration or catalog on your hard drive and highlight it with a single click. Then click Open. NittanyCow will now prompt you to select the catalog to which you would like to save your imported ration. Select the appropriate catalog from the drop-down menu, or create a new catalog by entering a catalog name and description and selecting New Catalog from the drop-down menu. Then click OK. NittanyCow will now ask you to select feeds to match the feeds from the incoming ration or rations. Note that NittanyCow will not overwrite nutrient profiles from the previous evaluator. Rather, NittanyCow uses your feed selections to fill in data for fields that are not used in AminoCow. For this example, if I select alfalfa silage 18% crude protein to match alfalfa silage mid-bloom, NittanyCow will retain all the values for alfalfa silage that were shown in the AminoCow ration. However, NittanyCow will also use the default values of alfalfa silage 18% crude protein for items like VFAs and chop length. For this reason, users should make selections that are as close as possible to the feed from the incoming ration, but it does not matter if the 2 feeds are not an identical match. You will not lose the feed name or nutrient profile listed in the AminoCow ration. You will only gain additional information based on your feed selection. In any case, you can make adjustments later to any nutrient fields that were not available in AminoCow. Also, note that NittanyCow will remember your matching feed selections during the import process. For example, I have alfalfa silage mid-bloom in both the rations I am importing, but I only have to make the selection once, and NittanyCow will assign that selection to both rations. This is particularly useful when importing a large number of rations in a single catalog that share many similar feeds. If the feed you want to select is not listed, click the Show All box at the bottom of the window to see the entire list of available feeds. Once you have made your feed selection for the feed name listed at the top of the window, click OK. NittanyCow will now move on to the next feed in the ration. Because I'm only importing 2 rations with 3 feeds each, this process goes quickly. However, please remember that this process may take several minutes if you are importing a catalog of rations with a large number of different feeds. Once the last required feed selection has been made, the import process is complete, and NittanyCow will now list your rations in the Rations window where they can be used in the same manner as any other ration. If you open the ration, you will see that NittanyCow has retained all the information that existed in AminoCow, including nutrient profiles, feed names, and animal information. In addition, NittanyCow has filled in default information for items like VFAs and chop length, which were determined by the feed selection made during the import process. This concludes Tutorial 5. Please visit www.nittanycow.com to watch online tutorials of other important NittanyCow features.